Okay, this is the final exam review video for question 2, part 2. Please convert the following decimal numbers to binary. Okay, so this is the reverse, of course, of the first section, and usually what I do when I'm setting myself up for this is to give myself some places to work with. So for example, for 7, I know that I could potentially need a 1, a 2, and a 4 position, but I don't need an 8 position, obviously, because 8 is greater than 7. So then I ask myself the question, does a 4 go into 7? Yes, it does. And if I have now used up 4, 7 minus 4 is 3, I have 3 left. Then I move to the right and I say, okay, I have 3 left. Does 2 go in there? Yes, it does. 2 fits in there. So now I had a 3, I just used up 2, and now I'm left with a 1. And I say, does a 1 go in there? Yes, it does. And so this is a 7, which is 4 plus 2 plus 1. So the first answer is 1, 1, 1. And shortcut, if you have a number which is 1 less than a multiple of 2, then you know it's going to be full of 1s up until that position. So this would be the 8 position. There's 0 8s, but there's all full of 1s to its right. So 255 is a good example of that. 256 is a multiple of as a power of 2. So it's a 2 to the 8th. So I know that I would have, in that case, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. And I know that I'm not going to get to 256 because I've run out of numbers, only 255. But I will have a 1 in every other spot. If I were to do this out the long way, I would go through the same process. Like if I'd forgotten that this rule about powers of 2s and so forth, I would just simply say, okay, 255, does 128 go into 255? Yes, it does. And then I would take 255, subtract the 128 that I just used up from it, and I have 127 left. That's interesting. Does 64 go in 127? Yes, it does. 63. Interesting. See this pattern developing. Then a 32, of course, goes in, and etc. So this is the long way you would do it. 16 goes into 31 until you reach the bottom of your calculation. I'll start again over here. 7, of course. So these are all going to end up being 1s. So I expect to see 3 here, and 3 minus 2 gives me a 1, and here I am. So then the number 255 translates into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1s. Okay, for our last one, 42. 42 is not a special number, like it's not 1 less than a power of 2 or anything. But 42, let me just start from from what I was doing before. 1, the 2 place, the 4 place, the 8 place, the 16, the 32, and then the next number would be 64, but I know that I can't get a 64. So 42. I use up 32. 42 minus 32 is 10. So can a 16 fit into 10? No. Can an 8 fit into 10? Yes. Okay, 10 minus 8 is 2. A 4 can't fit into that remaining 2, but a 2 can, and now I am all done. So now if I say 32 plus 8 is 40, plus 2 is 42. So this one is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is an easy way to convert.